Yeah guys, next we are going to discuss about the SQL Server topics. In SQL Server there is a topic called auto increment, where you can generate a sequence number by the system itself. So here I am going to create a dummy table. So create table test where id integer. So we can give primary key, that is an optional. So auto increment can be done by this keyword called identity. Yeah guys, now observe carefully. If I use only this keyword identity, so it contains two attributes. Without writing also, it contains two things. It is equal to like this. The first value will indicate what is the seed value. So that means, so on this test table, id will start from 1. So the second one is called incremental value. That means every time what value it should get increment. So it will every time will add 1. So first record will be 1, second one will be 2, 3, because every time it will add 1. So here there is an option in case if you want to start with some specific value, not 1. So you should want to start with some specific value, some 1001. Every time it need to add 1. You can mention like this also. So whenever you want to start with 1 and every time 1, you can write directly identity. So but I am going with like this 1001, so and comma 1. That means it is going to start with 1001, every time it will increment by 1. So let's create this particular record here. Sorry, I pressed wrong key. So I am executing. You can see the result, command completed successfully. So guys, you should remember one thing. Whenever a column mentioned as identity, I mean it's an auto increment column, you cannot insert value to it manually. You can see this. Insert into test id comma name comma age values of 1 comma some admin some 25. If I execute this, system will throw an error because you cannot explicitly insert value for identity column in the table. So what I mean to say, whenever you mentioned a column as identity, you cannot insert value to that particular column. So you should skip that always. You should not insert value into that one. So if I execute this one, you can see the row was affected. That means insertion is successful. If I go with select star from test, I may see the data. It was inserted and it was started with 1001 because we given the seed value as 1001. If I insert one more record like this, so it will increment by 1 every time, so that it will become 1002. Suppose user some 21. Again let's execute. Now if I go to the table, you can see it was become 1002 automatically because every time it is going to increment with 1. So as of now that's okay, fine, no issues at all. Sometimes you will get a requirement where you have to insert value to this particular identity columns also. Whenever there is a requirement to insert values to this identity columns also, at that time set test identity hyphen insert on. I think it comes here table. Yes, set identity insert on which table? On. That means you are making this auto incrementation disable, where you are giving permission where user can insert manually. So you need to keep it on. Then you can insert the record So ID, so here I can pass 9001. So if I execute, I can able to insert, because I am making this option enable. That means, so where we can insert identity columns also manually. Whenever you want to leave and continue the system to execute, you can see this. Now we have 1001, 1002, 9001. So now whenever you don't want to continue and system need to continue the incrementation, you will simply make it off, then system will execute from there. So I'm executing. Now identity will be generated by system this time. Now if you see this, once again if I am executing like developer, so it was executed, no doubt at all. So in place of ID, system continues from whatever the highest value is there. So highest value as of before this insertion of this record 9001, so that system continued it as 9002. That doesn't bother, there is a gap between these two records. Always identity column is going to get the highest value from the column, so and that will increment by the value whatever we given here. So here we given incremental value is 1, right? So it is going to get the highest value 9001. So and it will start increment by 1 every time. So this is how auto incrementation can be happen. This is how where you can insert values into auto increment column. This is how where you can set auto increment column should generate by system again. So I hope it is clear. This is how we can use auto increment property in SQL Server.